Hey guys, it's Alaman here from the Warhub, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a simple login register using PHP. So just follow me until the database, and in the main code I'll teach you how to do the stuff. Alright, so just follow me now. So I'll just leave it 3 rows, one for the ID which will auto increment, and in the second the username, third is the password. So now sublime text too. Now click on new file and save the register.php. Now I'll just put in opening, closing a PHP tab and establish a connection between my web, so my script and database. So I'm going to create a variable named db equals to MySQL connect localhost root and no password. So that's my credentials for PHP admin, and under that I'm gonna add a MySQL select database, which is select my database, which is a tutorial for now. And I'll just also add all the credentials is good. So now we'll develop the main register form for this. I'm just gonna add a form, form and then input type text because the username will be the text. And a placeholder too. Copy and paste that, and I'm just going to set the password because I don't want to show the password. Name will be password because we will be kind of configuring with the PHP, so a name is required, and elastic button is needed. Type will be submit. Name will be registered. Value will be registered. Now let's just buck it up and check it now. Well, looks great. Now let's just do the backbone. Another opening and closing PHP tab. And now we're going to check if the button is pressed. Then we want to, if the register button is pressed, then we want to run the code. Then we want to check if it's not empty. We don't want the username and password empty. So if it's not empty, goes to username. If username is not empty, and if your password is also not empty, then we're going to give it some PHP values. Then UN goes. Now we'll also note that if the button is pressed or not, and the breakpoint too. So now UN will be username, right? So as I told you, UN will be equals to username. We're now giving it some PHP value to the HTML elements inputs. You could say it doesn't matter. I don't care. So creatable with dot send which is because I'm a score query and we want to insert the data, which is username, insert the data into the user's table which you just made. The information must be username and password. The values will be UN and PW. So username UN is equal to username and it is here and send. We're gonna ask for query and insert into users. So right, so now let's just check if our command is working or not. If it doesn't work, then we want it to echo some things for us. You have been registered, redirecting. And for now, if the person has registered successfully, then he will be redirected to login.php where he can log in. Right, so it works. For now, I'll just leave the message here. As you can see, it works. Wow, I don't understand. Okay, so found the error. I forgot to put PW. I think I have inserted P and instead of PW. So I fix it now. Works great. Now let's just create login.php. Now I'm just gonna copy that. Copy, and paste it. Copy, and paste. Copy, and paste. Copy, and paste. Copy, and paste. And just edit it as I do. Now we also want to check that if it's equal or not. Look at the index.php. If the user is login, then he'll be redirected to index.php automatically. And we'll also add a logout button after we just made this, index. Right, so it works great by now. So I forgot the else command. do the logout thing. The add session start, and in the login, which is in the logout, will destroy the session. Sorry. Here will destroy the session and redirects into login.php again. So check out my website, and don't forget to don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And sorry for this kind of videos. We are actually working on the channel right now, so thank you, and it works. Bye bye. Have fun. Thank you.